The first line of medicines I start is with NSAIDs. What are your NSAIDs, guys? You have got your ibuprofen, naproxen, right? So you take this. Basically, I've seen patients taking naprodome, okay, 250 mg, 500 mg. So that will really work actually. So NSAIDs are very important. Now after NSAIDs, the next important thing you can use is acetaminophen. Okay, acetaminophen, which is your PCM. Sir, I have taken NSAIDs and acetaminophen. I usually take because that is a medicine I have, but still there is no relief, sir. I still have very severe headache after some time. Then the next drugs which we switch on are your triptans. These are very useful drugs, guys. Triptans are they work excellently. So for example, we have got sumatriptan, we have got rizatriptan, we have got naratriptan. Sumatriptan, rizatriptan and naratriptan. So what do they basically do is that, just remember that they block 5-HT1B and 1D receptors. Okay, so 5-HT is your 5-hydroxytryptamine receptors. Okay, I'm sorry, they don't block, they are agonist. Okay, they activate these receptors. I'm really sorry. So they activate this receptor. So they are 5-HT1B 1D agonist. Okay, 5-hydroxytryptamine agonist. Right. First, why these drugs are very important? Why these drugs are very important? The reason why these drugs are very important is that you have to understand the pathophysiology behind this. What do these triptans basically do? What do these triptans basically do is that, you know, the problem is because of dilation of blood vessels. You know, nitric oxide will dilate your blood vessels, which will cause headache. Apart from that, I also told you calcitonin, that is your CGRP molecules, substance P and all. Now what happens is that this drug will constrict your blood vessels. So when it will constrict your blood vessels, obviously the headache component will come down. Okay, but keep in mind, if it is constricting your blood vessels, you might have hypertension. So patients who are already having some kind of heart disease or hypertension, uncontrolled hypertension, in that if you give this drug, furthermore vasoconstriction will cause that hypertension component more severe. It will worsen more, you know that. Very simple logic, right? Second important thing, what does this do is that this will block the release of CGRP. You know, CGRP was the main culprit. This will block the release of CGRP. And third important, you know what? There is one system that is activated, I told you, that is your trigeminal pain system, right? So this will also block the trigeminal pain system. So what are the three important things does this thing do over here? One is triptans do over here. One, it is constrict your blood vessels. Constrict, I'm simply writing in a lame language, but I should not write this way. What I have to write? I have to write it as vasoconstriction. Okay, so in vasoconstriction, S is missing. You just write S in your notes. Okay, right. So vasoconstriction, and second important thing is this is going to block your CGRP release. And third important thing is that even your trigeminal pain system also it blocks. It blocks your trigeminal pain system also. So these are the three important things that are usually done. Okay. Now apart from this, what are the other drugs that I can use? Other drugs which I can use is your DHE. What is DHE? That is dihydroergotamine. Actually guys, this drug is not usually used because it is an older drug, but still people are prescribing, doctors are prescribing this one. But the problem with this is that whenever you overuse this, if you overuse this, then you might end up having a condition called as ergotism. What is that? Ergotism. You know what is ergotism? Now don't think ergotism is another term that is even seen in fungal poisoning. Okay, that is a different thing. So in ergotism, patient will have complaints like meiosis, chest pain, seizures, bradycardia. So all these symptoms together, they club up for ergotism. Okay, so these are the important things. Now, apart from this, not only pain component, guys, we also discuss patient will have